Still traveling with a fanny pack you impulse bought in 2022? Babe, it's time for an upgrade. Today, we're talking about the Minooy Aphrodite Crossbody Bag, the bag that makes you look like a very important person that has their life together. Hi, I'm Jess. Minooy sent me this bag to review, and listen, my expectations were good, but this thing has exceeded them. And because I love you, there's a discount code and link waiting in the description. You know that fantasy of gliding through the airport looking composed, stylish, almost mysterious, like you have somewhere important to be? And then reality hits and you're actually wrestling a nylon fanny pack with a sketchy zipper while you dig for chapstick like it's a survival mission? Yeah, that era is over. Don't get me wrong, I love a good crossbody for Disney or a hike, but this is a different girl. The Aphrodite Crossbody Bag is the glow-up we didn't realize we needed. Grown woman energy, but make it compact, organized, and chic enough that you suddenly feel like you could be boarding a private jet, even if you're in basic Maine. This little beauty comes in at around 7.5 inches high, 5.5 inches wide, and about 3 inches in depth. She's petite enough to stay cute, but roomy enough to function. She weighs less than a pound, which means she won't drag your shoulder down like you're hauling emotional baggage. And she holds 1.5 liters, which somehow feels like a Mary Poppins level amount of space. I don't know what kind of witchcraft is happening inside this thing, but I'm into it. Let's talk straps, because nothing screams I've made poor life choices like a bag that only works if you're 4'8" and 90 pounds. And wearing flats. The Aphrodite has a removable adjustable strap that ranges from 30 inches all the way to 55. What does that mean? It means whether you're tall, short, wearing a winter coat, rocking a sundress, or living your best don't touch me oversized hoodie life, this strap adjusts to you. Now we enter the investment purchase part of the video. The Aphrodite is made from high quality full grain leather. You can feel the difference immediately. Soft but structured, luxe without trying too hard, the kind of material that ages like fine wine. And the metal hardware, solid, smooth, no cheap clinking sounds. It gives a satisfying, I'm well made energy that plastic could never. Inside the bag, we have a built-in wallet, which is honestly one of my favorite features because it means I don't have to carry a separate travel wallet. But here's the part that really impressed me. The bag opens wide, like surprisingly wide for its size, which means you're not awkwardly digging into some tiny dark crevice trying to find things. Everything is right there, beautifully visible, beautifully reachable on a light lining. And the card slots are located on the flap. Why is this genius? Because when you're wearing the bag crossbody, you can zip that flap open and your cards are instantly accessible without having to remove the bag, unzip anything, or do that embarrassing underarm bag shuffle. And for my fellow glasses people, or sunglasses people, or readers at the restaurant people, you're gonna love this. It has a built-in glasses pocket that holds 2 pairs. But the real magic, each glasses pocket has elastic to keep your frame secure so they won't wiggle around or slide out when you open the bag. And the inside is lined with scratch-resistant material, which means the lenses aren't going to get chewed up. There's also a back slip pocket, perfect for quick grab items. Boarding passes, receipts, lip balm, wipes, whatever it is, slide it in, slide it out, no fuss. This is where I stash my phone. Okay, now let's talk about what I keep in this bag because I was shocked by how much it holds without looking overstuffed or bulky. Here's what I have in mind right now. A small meds case because perimenopause is just managing symptoms at this point. Wipes of all types. A hand fan because sometimes I get hot and testy in public. A twist pen, the kind that stays tucked in until you twist it so it doesn't attack the inside of my precious bag. My key fob attached to the built-in ring so I'm not playing hide and seek with my own keys. Breath strips because gum is a commitment and mints are too loud. Lip balm for Minnesota winters. Cash and cards nicely tucked into the built-in wallet section. And even with all of that, it's still zips smoothly. No budging, no fighting with it, no hold on, let me reorganize panic at checkout counters. Plus, the double zippers lock together, which helps deter pickpockets. You just snap them into each other so someone can't unzip your bag. This is especially handy in crowded airports, shopping areas, or just, existing in public. Let's be honest, this bag elevates your entire vibe. It's chic, minimal, functional, and stylish without trying too hard. It's compact but polished, cute but refined. It gives I'm so put together energy, even if you're secretly falling apart because your flight was delayed 3 times. Minooy sent me this bag to review, and it has exceeded my expectations in every way: quality, space, design, and just overall ease while traveling. My boomer mom liked it, my Gen Z daughter even called it cute, which I think is a compliment. If you want to look like you upgraded from chaotic tourist to stylish traveler, this is the bag. And again, discount code and link are waiting in the description. If you enjoyed this review and want more travel upgrades, stylish finds, and honest takes, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and whatever that hype thing is. Oh, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.